Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a meter units dimension style for a millimeter environment. Okay, drawing units, UN enter, length type decimal, precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay, go annotate, select dimension style, test style name. Okay, now go dimension style, D enter, go new, start with test new style name, test 4 meters. Okay, continue, go lines, by layer, extension line, by layer, line width. Okay, beyond dim line 28, offset from origin 40. Okay, symbol and arrows, arrowhead type dot, arrow size 36. Okay, break size 0.125. okay, go text style, click here, textile, Romans, text height 60, width factor 0.8. okay, cancel, textile t-test. okay, text color by layer, text placement vertical, above, horizontal, center, view direction left to right, offset from dim line 32. okay, align with dimension line, tick, go fit, either text or arrows beside the dimension line, tick. Now go primary units format, decimal, precision 0.00, suffix m, meter for m, scale factor 1/1000, enter, 0.001. okay, dimension style, test m, set current, close. okay, let's see, dimension style, test m, go linear, click 1.25 meter. okay, repeat linear, 0.75 meter. okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.